Little do I know, ang 2024 Toyota Rush, surprisingly, some Filipinos would prefer this MPV. I have to be honest guys, I'm going to make a part 2 version of this video. So hintayin nyo na lang kasi to be fairly honest, hindi ako na-excite about this vehicle. Especially, sige, I'll save it for the next video na lang. But this is going to be an in-depth tour. Itutuloy ko lang as is. So yeah, I'm keeping this one as a raw video as much as possible. Take care guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Let me show you kung bakit. Right, pagpasok mo, meron tayong dashboard na two-tone with the color of a cream white, tapos black dashboard din naman sa taas. Then it has the old traditional 4-speed automatic transmission. And just to let you guys know, sa mga newbies pa lang na Toyota or magkakaroon pa lang ng kotse, this is a 7-seater rear-wheel drive vehicle. 7-seater na Toyota Rush is only exclusive para sa mga top-of-the-line variant. Okay, I don't have the keys for the Toyota Rush, so ito na lang yung maitsatsaga natin. So yan, meron tayong 3-spoke steering wheel over here, and then andito naman yung instrument cluster, analog tachometers, then yung speedometers natin is obviously tapos yung speedometer natin is also analog. Okay, meron naman siyang LCD na dito na sa gitna to show what is the odometer, kung ilan yung kilometers per liter, and so on and so forth. Then coming to the infotainment system, ito siya. I would expect na kahit hindi ko patignan yung brochure, this is a Android Auto ready, tapos Apple CarPlay ready na rin siya. It seemed to be na it doesn't have a wireless charging dock. Then meron naman itong single zone climate control system. Yeah, it's right over here. Dito yung fan speed, tapos gusto mo yung temperature, and then yes, you want to turn it off, and yung different cycles nga naman. And this is since this is a top of the line variant, it is a push button start. Nice. And then these are the seats. Tapos only driver side windows is fully automatic up and down. Tapos meron tayong mga chrome na dito, door handles over here in the inside. Tapos yung two-tone ay yung cream white would actually continue going from the dashboard, tapos dito naman siya sa may driver side seals. These are the prices for the Toyota Rush. Yeah, and yung current prices nila. Probably there will be an update if sabihin natin 1 year later mo ito papanoorin. So ayan, but needless to say, ayan yung prices niya as of today. And I believe these are the tweeters sa mga sasakyan. And I believe ito yung mga tweeters ng Toyota Rush right over here. Yeah, tapos may mid-range speaker, so I'm expecting that this is going to be a 6-way speaker na sasakyan. Now let's head on to the interior ng sasakyan. So ito naman ang tanging nasa likod. Right, ito yung air vents right over here. 3 louvers siya just to fit with the 3 passengers dito, but it may depend kung maaabutan yung mga passengers dito sa likod. Perhaps there are only 2 seats, so yeah, I think the vehicle's size, they didn't have to opt to have a additional air vents dito sa likod, since ma-accommodate naman daw yung mga air louvers ay yung blower ng mga air louvers na ito, yung blower ng mga air vents na to, kayang-kaya niya accommodate itong buong cabin dito sa likod. But yeah, the other thing that is meant to mention is 12 volts tapos 60 watts na outlet. And then meron tayong cup holders over here. Ay, di ko pala nasabi yung mga cup holders dun sa harap. Where is it? Ayun, dito sa gitna pala. 3 pala. 1, 2, 3. Then sa likod we have 4. And we have 5. The ones over here, I would be in a shock na meron pala dito sa likod. Yan, meron dyan sa likod syempre. But little do I notice, wala pala siyang ilaw dito sa pinakadulo sa likod. Yan. And then meron, ayan, huli. There you go. Tapos may outlets tayo dito rin sa likod. Is that supposed to be a subwoofer? Ayun, no? Wait lang. Dali. Ayun, no? Yung tinutukoy ko eh. Ayun, no? I think that is a subwoofer. Ay, joke lang. These are perhaps speakers, additional speakers. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 speakers. Joke lang guys, hindi pala siya subwoofer. Itong seatbelt na ito ay specified for the middle passenger dito sa second row seats. And then, yan, syempre mga grab handles, kompleto siya. Obviously, the driver doesn't have one para hindi siya kumapit doon. So, how about if we try sitting at the back? Guys, hindi ako makakapagpakita ng test drive unit about dito sa Toyota Rush. Okay, nandito na ako sa likod. Now, let's try the third row seats. Okay. As a height of 5'5", ang opinion ko lang dito, I think this is the time that we need to improve something. And just to consider na rear wheel drive nga pala si Toyota Rush, yung differential hump na nararamdam ko dito. Yeah, definitely. So, what it does is, yung knees ko, pagka umuupo ako dito, mas mataas siya. So, I might be a bit cramped here. Needless to say, mas perfecto akong umupo dito sa second row seat rather than to the third row seats. Right. Just to pull this. Pero yung don't get me wrong, yung natin, headroom natin dito, ayan, mataas. So, hindi ako sumasabit. Yeah. Yun lang, yung knees ko lang dito. Right. Now going outside, it is now time to see what is in store for the exterior. Right, ito naman yung exterior version ng video natin for today. Tapos yung Toyota Rush, and as far as I know, these are LED bulbs. Tapos I think these are the daytime running lights, halogen turn signals. Yan, obviously the same on the other side. And won't be surprised na meron na itong LED bulbs dito sa fog lights. Yan. Then on to the side mirror housing, meron tayong LED strips for the turn signals, and dual VVTi batch naman dito sa gilid. Yung wheels and tires natin, wheels and tires is nakabalot siya ng isang Dunlop brand na tires, and yung sukat nito is 215 by 60, tapos 17-inch yung two-tone wheels natin dito. 5 lug nut spec. This is a front disc, and onto the rear, let's check before going to onto the rear. Meron tayong mga dito, mga side moldings dito sa gilid with a GR badge onto it, since ito ay GR variant. Drum brakes, same goes with the 5 lug nut spec, tapos two-tone wheels, 215 by 60, and 17-inch na yung diamond cut na black and silver finish na wheels. Then tapos mayroon tayong yung mga taillights natin. These are fully LEDs. Tapos halogen yung bulbs natin dito from the turn signals, tapos yung reverse lights. Yan. Rush logos over here. Here we go. And yan, so far so good. And then if you want additional additional dito accessories, please contact yung mga kakalala nyong ahente dito sa Toyota North EDSA or any dealership would do. Yan. Mga storage natin. Oh, hello. Courtesy lights over here. Tapos dito sa, I think, sa ilalim. I can open it, pero yan, may mga storage tayo dito, and obviously mas luluwag to kapag binaba to. Yan, for ease of storage na rin. But yeah, never forget, the top of the line variant is the exclusive lang siya for 7-seaters. Yan. Grab handle lang dito. Tingnan na natin yung engine. Oh, by the way, this is a keyless entry. Yan. So, ayan, perhaps nabuksan ko na yung engine itself. Ayan, meron tayong arrow dito para kung saan ilalagay natin yung hook. And this is the engine itself. Yan. So, this is a 1.5 liter na makina, gasoline engine. There you go. Dual VVTi with a featured itself. And then, if you're going to look at it, 2 NRVE and 1.5. There you go. So, yeah, very small of an engine. Tapos, same goes with the battery itself. really small cars. Yeah, everything here is really functional. Tapos ito yung radiator caps onto the middle, and yes, really weird. Brake master cylinders dito on sa brake master cylinders, really easy to reach. Yeah, and look at this. I think magzo-zoom in na ako. Yan guys, as you can see, this is a Daihatsu motor. Yeah, 2NRC3. Ayan, basta involved siya ng Daihatsu. Perhaps doon na magtatapos ang aking review sa Toyota Rush, and yeah, this is the top of the line spec na GR Sport. Right, like, comment, share, and subscribe guys, and we will see you on to the next video. Perhaps I'm going to upload that car right over there. So yeah, bye bye, thank you very much.